Space is vast and mysterious. It's filled with wonders beyond our wildest dreams. One of these wonders is a black hole. Imagine yourself floating in the emptiness of space. Stars twinkle around you like distant diamonds. But something else catches your eye. A region of darkness seems to consume the light itself. You are mesmerized. You are drawn to it. This is the allure of a black hole. Black holes are not really holes. They are not empty spaces. Instead, they are cosmic objects with incredible density. Imagine squeezing the mass of our entire sun into a tiny ball just a few miles across. That's how dense a black hole can be. This extreme density gives black holes immense gravitational pull. Nothing can escape their grasp, not even light itself. As you float closer, you feel a strange sensation. It's as if the black hole is pulling you towards it. This is the irresistible force of its gravity. The closer you get, the stronger the pull becomes. You are now in the grip of a cosmic monster. Pull, it is a one-way trip. Gravity is a fundamental force in the universe. It holds us to the Earth, keeps the moon in orbit around our planet, and governs the motion of stars and galaxies. But the gravity of a black hole is unlike anything we experience in our daily lives. Imagine standing on the surface of a massive object, like a giant star. You would feel a strong gravitational pull towards its center. Now imagine that the object is so massive and dense that its gravity becomes infinitely strong. This is what happens at the singularity, the very core of a black hole. As you get closer to the black hole, the difference in gravitational pull between your head and your feet becomes more extreme. This is because your feet are closer to the black hole's center and experience a stronger pull than your head. This difference in gravitational force is what leads to the strange and terrifying phenomenon of spaghettification. Spaghettification is a rather unpleasant way to go. Imagine being stretched like a piece of spaghetti dough. That's essentially what happens to an object as it falls into a black hole. The gravitational forces become so intense that they stretch the object out into a long, thin strand. This stretching effect is due to the difference in gravitational pull across the object's length. The part of the object closest to the black hole experiences a much stronger pull than the part farthest away. This difference in force stretches the object like a rubber band being pulled from both ends. The term spaghettification might sound funny, but the reality is anything but. It would be a gruesome experience, to say the least. Your body would be torn apart atom by atom as you are pulled into the abyss. Time twists and turns. One of the most mind-bending aspects of black holes is their effect on time. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time is not absolute but is relative to the observer's frame of reference. Gravity can actually slow down time. Imagine you are watching a clock fall into a black hole. As the clock gets closer to the event horizon, you would notice something strange. The clock would appear to tick slower and slower. This is because the black hole's gravity is warping time itself. Now imagine you are the one falling into the black hole. From your perspective, time would seem to pass normally. You wouldn't notice your clock ticking any slower. However, you would observe the universe outside the black hole speeding up. This is because time is relative. Beyond the veil, inside the black hole. What lies beyond the event horizon? What happens to an object once it crosses this point of no return? These are questions that have puzzled scientists for decades. We can never observe what happens inside a black hole directly, but we can make educated guesses based on our understanding of physics. One possibility is that all the matter inside a black hole collapses into a single point of infinite density called the singularity. This singularity would be the ultimate endpoint for everything that falls into the black hole. It's a place where the laws of physics as we know them break down. Another possibility is that black holes are not as simple as we think. Some theories suggest that black holes could be wormholes, connecting different parts of the universe or even different universes altogether. Section 7. Portals to other worlds. The idea of black holes as portals to other worlds is a staple of science fiction. While it's a fascinating concept, there is currently no scientific evidence to support it. However, the possibility remains intriguing. If black holes were indeed wormholes, they could potentially allow us to travel vast distances across the universe in an instant. We could even travel through time itself. Of course, this is all highly speculative. The reality is that we know very little about what happens inside a black hole. It's a realm where our current understanding of physics breaks down. Until we can develop a more complete theory of gravity, the mysteries of black holes will likely remain unsolved. Section 8. The Great Unknown. Black holes represent the great unknown in our universe. They are objects of immense power and mystery. While we have learned a great deal about them over the past few decades, many questions remain unanswered. What happens to information that falls into a black hole? Do black holes eventually evaporate? Are there different types of black holes? These are just a few of the mysteries that continue to intrigue scientists. The study of black holes is a journey into the unknown. It challenges our understanding of the universe and pushes the boundaries of human knowledge. As we continue to explore these cosmic enigmas, we are sure to make even more astounding discoveries. Section 9. A Universe of Wonders. The universe is a vast and wondrous place. It is filled with objects and phenomena that defy our imagination. Black holes are just one example of the many wonders that the cosmos holds. As we continue to explore the universe, we are sure to encounter even more strange and fascinating objects. Each new discovery brings us one step closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember that there are black holes out there, lurking in the darkness. They are a reminder of the vastness and mystery of the universe we inhabit. They are a testament to the power of nature and the limits of our understanding.